and this is the Scoop Single Serving Coffee Maker. If you're a coffee lover who spends a lot of time on the go, then making more than 1 cup at a time usually means you're wasting good coffee. And that is why the Scoop Coffee Maker is the single-serve coffee maker you need. Just scoop your favorite ground coffee with the special scoop filter, place in Coffee Maker, add water, and brew. Make only as much coffee as you want. It brews up to 14 ounces into a travel cup or coffee mug. It brews hot, fast, and has customizable brewing to provide a better tasting cup of coffee. Just choose regular or bold. So save money, save coffee, and enjoy life more with the Scoop. Now that's good thinking.
This is the Cuisinart 4-cup coffee maker with stainless steel carafe. It has a nice stainless steel carafe, has a really nice spout here for easy pouring. It has a brew pause feature, so if you need to sneak a little bit of coffee before it's finished brewing, you can do that and just slide it back in, and the coffee maker will continue to brew the coffee. Has an on-off button on the side. Inside, it has a little shower head here, which actually dispenses the water over your grounds. It comes with a starter pack of number 2 filters. These are paper filters, so they're really great, especially if you don't like a lot of sediment in your coffee. Comes with a coffee scoop, so it's really easy to measure out your coffee. It also has a 30-minute auto shut-off after it's done brewing. It takes up very little counter space. It's really cute. So if you have a small kitchen or you're just getting started out on your own, it's the perfect coffee maker for you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if